Our circulatory system consists of a heart and the blood vasculature system composed of blood vessels. There are two main types of blood vessels, the arteries and the veins. The arteries are responsible for carrying blood away from the heart, the deoxygenated blood to the lungs and the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, while the veins are vessels that carry blood to the heart, the deoxygenated blood from the rest of the body and the oxygenated blood from the lungs. Now, just take this part and zoom in to take a look at the structure of each of these vessels. All of these vessels have three main layers that make up their walls. Tunica intima, that is the inner layer, tunica media, the middle layer, and tunica externa, the outer layer. The tunica intima is made up of endothelium as well as some subendothelial connective tissue. The tunica media is made up of smooth muscle cells arranged in concentric pattern which lies in between the external elastic membrane and the smooth muscle layer. The tunica externa is made up of longitudinally arranged fibers of collagen. Obviously, arteries and veins carry blood at far different pressures, so the structure of their walls differs slightly. Veins have valves to direct blood flow because, unlike in arteries, blood is no longer pushed forward in a high pressure system. It is under lower pressure and has to be pushed towards the heart by contraction of skeletal muscles as well. Because arteries are under high pressure and they have more elastin and more smooth muscles in their media, they're generally thicker with narrower lumens. This helps them withstand the high pressure. The larger arteries narrow into smaller arteries, which further narrow into arterioles. These arterioles then join with smaller vessels called capillaries, whose walls consist of a single layer of endothelial cells lying on a basement membrane. They are so narrow that RBCs must actually flow in a single file. This slow flow and the thinness of the wall allows exchange of substances between the blood inside and the cells. The deoxygenated blood carrying wastes then leaves these capillaries and enter venules, the smallest of the veins. These join to form medium-sized veins and eventually larger veins.
To keep learning with such engaging videos, download Byju's, the learning app today.